African grey parrots. African grey parrots were adopted as pets for so many years. Their captivating cat potential to cause and skills for virtually mimicking human speech has helped to catapult them to stardom, each with inside the subject of studies and with inside the pet trade. While their reputation makes them a famous preference as a pet, capacity proprietors want to ensure they've got the time and manner to take care of an African grey earlier than adopting one. This African grey parrot profile will assist you to apprehend the daily roles and obligations of an African grey owner. Amazon parrots. Amazon parrots are complete of character and spunk. Their comical characters and terrific speech capabilities have stored them inside the ranks of the maximum famous puppy chook species for decades. However, Amazon's massive frame, effective voice, and socialization necessities lead them to a negative preference for lots of chook proprietors. Those proprietors who make reduce the number of the happiest chook fans around, however, best due to the fact they made certain to do their studies earlier than committing to taking care of their feathered friends. Cockatoos. Cockatoos are beautiful, affectionate birds who constantly appear to discover a manner to soften any bird lover's heart. Their pleasant nature has precipitated many parrot proprietors to maintain cockatoos exclusively. However, those are skilled bird trainers who recognize what has to be furnished to a cockatoo in phrases of food, exercise, space, and attention. Owning any bird is a full-time job, and for cockatoo proprietors, it is able to final half of a century or more. Explore the kind of thrilling cockatoo species, in addition to what it takes to offer a loving domestic for them. Eclectus parrots. Charming and intelligent, the Eclectus parrots are charming birds that make spectacular pets. Their lovely colors, speaking ability, and lovable personalities have long gone a protracted manner in setting up them as one of the maximum famous pet parrots available. Those who fall in love with the Eclectus' splendor and allure need to assume earlier than bringing one home. However, those birds have complicated social desires and require a whole lot of attention. Make certain you've got time to offer for an Eclectus in each manner earlier than bringing one home. Macaws. Macaws are available in loads of sizes and colors, and the selections are developing with the aid of using the day because of hybridization with inside the puppy trade. Easily the maximum recognizable member of the parrot family, macaws are frequently the primary preference for hen enthusiasts who end up inquisitive about proudly owning a massive parrot. If this seems like you, ensure to understand how you want to take care of your new pet properly.